Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company to have for you part 2 video. We just did the first one. We run down here. We're going to mulch here along the side, show everybody that this mower head does work the way we say it does. It's the machine, and here we go. states up there. I'm going to go ahead and shut snail mode off. I have to have my bar down. Snail mode is off now. We're in standard. Right over here. I'm going to tell you doors open. Go ahead and shut that. That's going to clear the code. No active warnings. So it shows you your door sensor system is all working. There is all of our vitals, 192 engine temp, 162 on the hydraulics, which shows the hydraulics are not running hot. 13.9 volt, charge pressure 406. We're burning half a gallon, or 0.6 tenths of a gallon an hour. No error codes again. So there we're showing you that a machine is doing what it's supposed to do. It's very enjoyable to run that machine. So enjoyable that my 8-year-old wants to run it. He's not going to. How about it, Braden?
Yeah,
so you can see what we were mulching there. And you can see the kind of job the thing is doing. When I clipped off there, I don't know if you can see it real well in that video, there was 3 at one time I took off, and it bogged down. It's going to do that. It takes a lot when you're mulching stuff like that, and that is all green stuff, which you can see. I mean, those are all live trees they're wet. So I mean, and I didn't take the time to keep back dragging that. You can back drag that down and really mulch up a nice area. So, if you have any questions on this 2014 Bobcat T770 Forestry package, please let us know. We're glad to help in any way that we can. But there again, we've taken our time. We've run it here. We've showed you that it works. We've showed you it goes through its paces and does everything it's supposed to do. Very good running, working machine. We've showed you its vitals after it's hot, and it proves that the machine is an up and running, working, ready to go to work machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Keep in mind, this does come with a brand new 84-inch smooth edge bucket also. So we are not just selling it as a forestry kit, it is also a skid loader. And keep in mind, I mean, to put something in its place like this today, you're double what I'm asking for this machine, if you can even come up with it right now. There's such a shortage of good used equipment right now in the market. You can't find stuff because you cannot buy it new. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. I'm Nick Miller. Ask for Nick, Matt, or Amy. We'll be glad to help in any way that we can. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. You got anything to add, mister?
No.
Okay.
Dad.
Thanks, guys, for checking us out. Have a great day.